कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जमा हमारा. Such is our existence that it cannot be obliterated, even though since time immemorial the world has been our adversary. Ever since we were children, we have recited this nazm, Sare jahan se अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा. Dr. Allama Iqbal wrote this nazm in 1904, calling it Tarana-e-Hind. He recited it at the Government College Lahore in the following year. It quickly became an anthem to the opposition of British rule in India. The nazm, an ode to Hindustan, comprising of the present-day Bangladesh, India and Pakistan, at that time undivided, became immensely popular, and it is still very popular in Hindustan. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.